A video uploaded by Facebook user 𝗁𝗍𝗍 has immediately gone viral on Sunday, March 6, 2022, showing a minibus that fell on its side along a road in Barangay Uling, Naga City. The video shows passengers lying on the road as passers-by started gathering at the accident area. The bus, carrying 11 passengers, was owned by Barangay Buhisan and it was headed back to Cebu City from the town of Pinamungahan when the driver 𝗁𝗍𝗍𝗆 lost the brakes and the control of the bus as they were traversing the Cebu City-bound lane of the Naga-Uling Highway. Burden tried to keep the bus on the lane when the rubber cap of the brake exploded, but due to the winding road, it fell on its side.
Problema dito niya sa brake, ma'am. Kay ilugon man gud siya. Sige ni mag-apply og brake. Mo apply mo init to ang iyang kuan, rubber cap. Oto hinungdan na pagbuto sa rubber cap, dili na siya gid mo kutot ang brake ni iya na lang gi kuan, ipaningkamutan nga dili sila makadamaw sa ilang kasugat o kinsa pa ilang maigo. Auto balance na ang bus kay ang katong mga pasahero ni panic na.
The 11 passengers sustained minor injuries from the accident, including Karel Caraca, the driver's grandson, who had wounds on his arms.
Pagdagan mo maayo pang brake, pagulit diha na, wala na.
Buisan Barangay Captain 𝗂𝗵𝗁 said they already took care of the medical expenses of the passengers.
So after ato, pagkaibaw na ako ang staff sa barangay, ako din gipaadto kung asa sila nga ospital, ato din yung padali gud sila kung sa mga need assistance like mga tambal, laboratories if needed, amo na yung gi-provide. Ang mga billing katong uban minor injury kami na igabayad. Personally ako igabayad yun.
He explained that the passengers were members of the 𝗕𝗂𝗵𝗆 fraternity. They asked permission to use the minibus for their meeting in Pinamungahan, since their booking for a private vehicle was unexpectedly cancelled.
Kaya sa kuan to, 𝗕𝗂𝗵𝗆 activity to, nihangyo sila ba? Nata sila i-gibook, niya na-cancel man, niya emergency reason, nagpatabang siya. Siya ka, pwede ba ta makagamit sa minibus, kami lay tubil. Ko, okay, wala may problema, basta ay lang ninyo kuan ni abusuhi ay lang gamitag kuan pod lain nga purpose mo po niya to ang kuan pod sa barangay.
He clarified that the use of minibus was considered an official trip since it had its permission.
Every kuan gid nato no as a kuan protocol sa barangay na gyud tay approval nako og ang trip ticket kuan gyud.
This has been Sheriza Uy from 𝗁𝗍𝗶𝗀 Cebu.